Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can store the key store password and alias when you are going to generate the sign APK. So when you will generate the sign APK, so initially you will be asked to, like, I will select the new password. So here you will be asked to enter the key store password and the key password and the alias. So these three things is very important. So if you and one .jks file will be generated, so if this file is lost, so it will be very difficult to get that file back. So for that we have to store the same file in the project itself. So I will show you how you can do that. So first, so this is my project. I will just go to select this project and I will create Keystore. I'll go here, new file, sorry, new directory. I will create Keystore. So new directory Keystore is created. So now I will open the build.gradle file. I'll go to Android and build.gradle file. So here, like inside the Android, here you can see above that build script. I have already copy pasted. I'll just paste this. So sign config. So here you will have to store that password, whatever you are going to enter in the keystore password and alias. So you can see here. So this is the keystore tutorial app.jks. This is the file name I am going to give there, and test123 is the store password, and key 0 is the alias, and key password is test at the rate test1234. So you can give the different password also for store and key password. So I have given the same. So this is the tutorial app.jks file. So this file will be generated inside this project keystore. So I'll go here, I'll build this generate signed apk. So now in play store, you while generating sign apk, you have to generate app bundle. So you select app bundle and select next. So create new. For you it will be new one. So here you select your project and then key store. So this is the store folder I have generated, and here I will do that name. I will paste it. So key is tutorial app.jks. So I have written here tutorial app.jks. So here is the store password. So you can see here, I will move this little. So from here you can see I have already written here keystore tutorial.jks. Same is the file I have selected in keystore. This is the path for that, and here password is this one, test at the rate test123 test1234, and here also test1234. So here key 0 is the alias. So here you can see here we have saved in gradle file key alias, and key password. Key password here I have given test at the rate 1234. Same you can give different also for store and key. So I will type the same for. So I have typed the password. So now one of the certificate details you will have to fill, like you can give your name or the organization. I'll just give my name and I will give the organization also. So you can fill other details also, for only one is enough. So will just go okay, and you can see here this page has come. So I will already here, for you it will ask you, like I will fill it again because it will be not auto filled. So I'll give again same store password you have to give, and you will have to click next, and here you have to select release and create. So after apk is generated, you can see here that release signed apk is generated, and you can see here that keystore in keystore there is one jks file has generated, tutorial underscore app.jks. So this file is very important, and this password is very important, because if someone lost this file or the password, so if you are have already published your app in play store, so it will be very difficult to give update if this is lost. So this is very important. because for the first time user they don't like include this key password, and they just publish it and later they forget. So this is very important to like add this field like sign config password details in the gradle file, and this file should be stored in your project itself, so it should not be lost. And you can push this to your GitLab, like for different branch you can make, and you can push this code to GitLab so that this password and file will be there already. In this I want to include one more thing is, so this is the sign config, you have to add these details, this is very important. And second thing is, like in build type in release you can is minify enable, you just do it true. So what this will do is, like this will minimize the APK size and it will like obfuscate your code, so that when someone cannot do reverse engineering and get your source code. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.